Hi everyone. Today we're going to use visualization services to create a dashboard for specific assets related to specific plants. As you can see here, we're going to use Connect Visualization tab in Connect. We'll begin by browsing through the assets type and selecting the data streams specific to the desired assets. In this case, we are looking for data streams related to line 1 in the plant as shown. There is already built-in dashboards that includes key informations and KPIs for the plant. Next, we will go to Create, select Visualization and Content, and choose the Column Chart option. We will search for the intake and outtake data streams and drag them in the column chart. We will drag and drop both streams in the column chart, and also we're gonna select a graph and add pH intake to it. There are hundreds of data streams already logged. They are already accessible within just a few clicks. So we'll go ahead and search for the intake or outtake temperature and add them to our chart. The next step is we will adjust our screen layout to fit the dimensions of our dashboard. After that, we'll select the line chart and position it beneath the column chart. Similar to what we did earlier, we will search for the pH intake data stream for the plant and add it to the line chart. As you can see, the data is presented clearly and readily available. We can fine-tune the layout for better visualization and readability. So the next step is to make this visualization accessible to our team by linking it to the appropriate project. In this case, the engineering project, we'll also link it to the relevant asset, which is our plant. To do this, we'll scroll to the list of available assets and select the desired one. Once complete, we will save this dashboard. Each time we go to Connect Home, this dashboard will be available from the home page. Thank you for watching the video.